I'm Kirby Lisi with the Massachusetts State Office of Rural Health, and I am so thrilled that Michelle Rathman is receiving this well-deserved honor. Michelle has been a tireless advocate for rural health, behind the scenes helping so many of us communicate our impact, tell our truths, and elevate our work. When I first met her about 10 years ago, my first reaction was, ooh, this woman gets it. And what's the it? It is the special thread woven into so many of us that do rural health work. It's the humanity, it's the passion, it's the deep sense and call to justice. Michelle brings all of this and her technical skills to support so many projects in rural health.
As chair of the NOSOR Communications Committee, I had the pleasure of working with Michelle on the National Rural Health Day campaign. Michelle helped us transform the original vision of National Rural Health Day from a moment to a movement that is celebrated by countless organizations and committed, dedicated people every day in every state.
Michelle Rathman, congratulations on receiving NRHA's 2025 President's Award. I can't think of a person more deserving and dedicated to the rural healthcare space.
I'm Eric Thorson. I'm the CEO at Columbia Memorial Hospital in Astoria, Oregon. I've had the pleasure of working with Michelle for nearly 15 years. During this time, we've worked on leadership development, cultural change, and most recently on a strategic communication plan for our nearly $300 million replacement hospital project.
Most recently, Michelle came up to support a project here in Mass, and as I trekked her on a 1,000-mile, 2.5-day road trip to 12 rural communities across the state, I was just struck by the trust our local communities had in her. Her ability to connect and make them feel safe to tell their stories, stories that are vulnerable and hard. Her appreciation of people, her genuine nature, her ability to hold the heavy and also celebrate the good. How lucky we are to have her in our collective rural corner. And how lucky I am to have her as a colleague and a friend.
You and I have known each other for 2 decades, and in that time, I have seen you be a catalyst behind the scenes for educating communities on the importance of the hospital in their community, the importance of healthcare, not only in terms of wellness, but in the job creation and economic engine that it is.
Michelle has always been an incredible resource for me personally, to our leaders, and to our organization. She truly is a champion for rural health, and I couldn't think of a more deserving person for this award. Congratulations to you, Michelle, for this distinct honor.
Thank you so much, Michelle. I can't wait to see where your continued work takes us next.
I hope that I will get another decade, at least, to work with you and to see the impact that you can and continue to make in this space. Congratulations again.
Michelle, I know you will continue to fight the good fight and carry the critical messages we all need to hear to build a better future for our rural communities. So cheers to you, Michelle. This award is so well deserved and doesn't even begin to scratch the surface of how much gratitude so many of us have for you.